three of us live here. We all had like dry respiratory tracts and mouths. My mouth would be dry as a bone in the morning. I was on that maintenance program, yearly maintenance program, and he discovered that the furnace was very, very critically broken. The working parts were corroded and weren't going to get any better and really couldn't be fixed. So, and it was, I'm not quite sure how old the furnace is, but the house was built in 1968. And parts of the furnace look like it could have been. The salesman comes in, presents all kinds of options, no pressure. You know, he just gives you the options, and you get to choose what you think is best for your situation. And then that rolls into the techs coming out to actually install the equipment. So it's all very smooth and everybody works together, which is probably why everything gets done so efficiently. They got here, I think it was around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and I think they were done by 2, so short day. And they installed both the furnace and the humidifier and the air conditioner. We all had like dry respiratory tracts and mouths. My mouth would be dry as a bone in the morning. Once we had the furnace put in, along with the humidifier, that took care of that problem. And it was quiet. It's not, there's no rattling and banging that went on. And the best part was, let's see, last power bill was the lowest we've ever had. I would recommend Cardinal Heating and Plumbing to my friends, relatives, and so on. It's easy to work with people who are into what they're doing. You know, I think from some of the things I've observed, they enjoy working with each other. They enjoy doing a good professional job, and that's why I would recommend them to anybody.